Hi guys, today I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to save money and reuse your spring twists as a ponytail extension. I started out by putting my hair in a middle part, and then I'm taking out the front sections of my hair simply because my hair is too short to put all of it back into a low bun. Now I'm taking some hair butter and applying that all over the back of my hair because I don't want to use any gel, and then I'm going to brush it and secure that into a low bun. Once that's done, I'm taking the front section of my hair and putting each side into a chunky flat twist. Then I'm taking the end of the flat twist and securing it with a bobby pin as close to my low bun as I can get. On to the actual fun. Now these are the spring twists that I used in my last video. This is the curl pattern they retained. As you can see, it's still very curly. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to take each individual piece of spring twist and gather that into a bunch in my hand. Once I feel like I have a full enough ponytail, I'm going to take a piece of hair and use that to tie up the rest of the bunch. And now we have an actual ponytail that you can just tie over your own hair and look pretty cool. So to install, I simply take the bunch of hair and place it over my own bun, and then use the ends of the individual strand that I used to secure that bunch and tie it around the base of my own bun. Next, I'm taking about 2 pieces of hair and wrapping it around the base of the bun just to hide all the attachments and all, and fluff it out and you're good to go. This style is super easy to do, super cute, and it's just very comforting to know that after spending a lot of money on your spring twist extensions, you can reuse them. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!